Welcome to the Geologic Hills in eastern Wyoming. We are about 15 miles away from Devil's Tower Monument, and this is a place on the side of the road of a highway we just saw that had some excellent geologic formations showing the law of original horizontality, how rock layers are laid down originally flat. But it also gave a good perspective of the hilly topography, which is just west of the Black Hills. So literally about an hour and a half from the Black Hills, you will come to this area right here. In this region, all throughout the West indeed, water is a precious commodity. There are two primary sources of water, and that is surface water and then groundwater. Out here, most of the water that feeds for rivers comes from snowmelt, which is actually being reduced as the mean global temperature continues to rise. These rock layers right here are a good example of rocks that have been laid down in their flat manner with very little bending or folding that happened subsurface. But we'll be looking in class at other rock layers that indeed have been radically changed. But the point is that this water resource is being used heavily for agriculture. That's why the grass is as green as it is. And also probably serves as a primary drinking water resource. As we kind of get higher in elevation, I'm going to point out in the distance, I'll put an arrow where you'll see it. It's a small geologic structure, at least from this area. This little thing that looks like where the arrow is pointing to, that's Devil's Tower. That's how far away we are. The Devil's Tower is a volcanic neck, and it is standing because all of the softer rocks around it, whether they've been sedimentary or volcanic, have eroded away, and that's left behind standing. Looking at this terrain, I do want to point out that mass wasting will be a problem, and you can see boulders that have fallen off these cliff edges towards the stream/river there, and this would be a regular issue out in sections that have canyon walls like this. Again, I want you to keep in mind, water is a rare commodity out west. So when you see this type of terrain and you see rivers, think about how precious it is. More to come. See you at the next stop. Bye.